Second day of the second half of the budget session that will be underway shortly, and all eyes would be on the possible debate over the opposition's no confidence motion against the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. However, the opposition chose instead to stall the parliament on day one of the second phase of budget session, and they wanted rather a debate and the discussion on the West Asian conflict. Congress and its allies, while creating a ruckus and raising slogans and even storming to the well of the House, while the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar was giving a statement in both houses of parliament. However, it seems that the opposition has completely decided to shift their goalpost.
स्पीकर के अगेंस्ट ला सकते हैं ताकि देश को पता चले क्या हो रहा है। विपक्ष का नेता नहीं बोल सकता, विपक्ष के लोग नहीं बोल सकते, वो सत्ता पक्ष के लोग गाली दे रहे हैं, मतलब बैठकर स्पीकर की अंडर स्पीकर की ऑब्जर्वेशन के अंडर स्पीकर चेयर पे थे। स्वाभाविक है कि हमारी पार्टी ने और समूचे जो अपोजिशन के लीडर जो इस से सहमत हैं, उन्होंने नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन स्पीकर के अगेंस्ट लेके आए हैं। ये जरूरी भी था।
This is very unfortunate. The speaker is not that kind of a person, but this government who has captured all the constitutional institutions has made the chair of the speaker also to be siding with the ruling party, and this anger is less against the speaker, more against the government.
निश्चित तौर पे जिस तरीके से लोकसभा के स्पीकर अपना रवैया अपना रहे थे, वो रवैया बेहद ही खराब था। विपक्ष के नेताओं का माइक बंद कर देना, विपक्ष के नेताओं की बात न रखने देना और उनके समय पे जब वो बोल रहे हों तो लगातार टिप्पणी करना, ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण था। इसीलिए उनके खिलाफ इस तरह की बात आई। मुझे लगता है कि सरकार को ऐसे स्पीकर को हटा देना चाहिए और बेहतर होगा कि एक ऐसा स्पीकर बैठे जो दलगत राजनीति से अलग हटकर लोकसभा को चलाने में सब प्राथमिकता रखता।
The opposition strategy that is being held in the parliament currently before the session resumes for today. However, it is being said that Rahul Gandhi was not present, but what has been, as far as the take of the opposition here is concerned, will they allow the parliament to function, or what would be the issue that they would be raising inside the parliament? Because outside the parliament, we're already looking at the suspended MPs who have been staging protests. But inside parliament, what would be the agenda that would dominate as far as today's session is concerned? The meetings that have been taking place yesterday when Rahul Gandhi was present, Pragya, today being said that he is not there, but it remains to be seen entirely what the opposition today will be taking forth as far as the decision is now concerned, whether they still want to hold protest on West Asian conflict or they will be going ahead with their own motion of no confidence against the Lok Sabha Speaker.
Well, Amita, it has been made very clear by Congress that they are going to discuss the motion for removal of Speaker, no confidence motion against Lok Sabha Speaker today. They are saying that the oil prices, they have spoken about it yesterday, and this is exactly the reason why they wanted a short duration debate on situation in West Asia, because it has to do with energy crisis. And in fact, that is the stance that they are maintaining right now as well. But they are saying that the second half, especially, they are going to debate the motion for removal of Lok Sabha Speaker. They are saying they have no confidence in Speaker as such, and this is the debate that they are looking forward. And after that, they have, in last evening also in all party meeting, they have decided that they will go ahead with impeachment motion against Ganesh Kumar. But that will be done only after this debate against Lok Sabha Speaker will be settled. 10 hours have been allocated for this particular debate. There are many speakers from government side as well. Speakers like Nishikant.
Pragya, it seems that a certain consensus that has been formed with the government, because the opposition says that they do want to protest, but they also want to hold a discussion. That is a breaking update. What we are learning internally, where the opposition seems to have formed the consensus that they will cooperate, but after 12 p.m. Before that, they will continue with the protest. So, is it in all likelihood, Pragya, that we will see the adjournment of the House minutes after that it resumes today at 11 a.m. because the opposition seems to hold their point that they will protest first and then debate and discuss?
Absolutely, most likely, Amita. And in fact, that has always been a strategy, because Rahul Gandhi's issue of not letting him speak in Lok Sabha, which is a charge by the opposition and has been debated, time and again by the speaker himself. Is still there, and in fact they would not want any of the discussion, any of sorts, unless until this debate on the no confidence motion of Speaker is consulted and is debated in the House. In fact, they are also ready, but also the trustee benches are also ready to corner the opposition on this particular subject, on this particular topic. First, one of the most important endorsement had come from Prime Minister himself. But you're right, absolutely right on that count. Opposition is looking for some sort of protest inside the House, and after 12 they will participate in this
well, remains
particular
to be
debate.
seen, because about 10 hours time that has been allocated as far as when it comes to the list of speakers from both sides that have come out, and it is in all likelihood that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah too will be speaking in the House. Pragya, thank you very much for that update. But as far as what has been the opposition's point of view, because will they allow discussion on their own motion? Because if sources are to be believed, the government is unlikely to accede to the opposition's demand for a full-fledged discussion, especially when it comes to the West Asian crisis. We could hear the sloganeerance of Charcha Charcha that was dominating yesterday's protest. Now, this happened when the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar was briefing both houses of parliament amid ruckus. However, the opposition sees it as a sign of government evasion.
वेस्ट एशिया का जो मामला है, क्या वो जरूरी नहीं है क्या? फ्यूल प्राइस, इकोनॉमिक डेविस्टेशन, ये जरूरी नहीं है क्या? बट वो डिस्कशन करना नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि उसमें दूसरी बातें निकलेंगी, उसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर की पोजीशन निकलेगी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का जो पूरा कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुआ है, जो उन पर ब्लैकमेल किया जा रहा है, वो सवाल उठेगा, तो उसको डिस्कस नहीं करना चाहते. आपने देखा प्राइम मिनिस्टर भाग गए, पार्लियामेंट हाउस से भाग गए.
जयशंकर साहब ने जो स्टेटमेंट रखी कि 67,000 भारतीयों को निकाल लिया गया है उन गाँव से 20 तारीख को.
सवाल 67,000 भारतीयों का ही नहीं. गैस की कीमत क्यों बढ़ाई आप? जो आप एश्योरेंस देंगे कि पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम नहीं बढ़ेंगे? 1 करोड़ भारतवासी उस एरिया में हैं. उन 1 करोड़ की सुरक्षा की गारंटी आप लेंगे? क्या कार्य योजना है उनको निकालने की?
Energy crisis is happening everywhere. Fuel prices are completely rising day by day. There are people are in distress. The government has to come for a discussion.
सरकार अपना पक्ष साफ करे कि वॉर को वो किस तरीके से ले रहे हैं, उनका राय क्या है इस पर. और फिर हम आत्मनिर्भर की बात कर रहे हैं, हम अमेरिका का ऑर्डर मान रहे हैं, तो हमारी आत्मनिर्भरता और हमारे देश को कोई डिक्टेट कर रहा है कि आपको तेल कितने दिन खरीदना है, कितना ले पाएंगे आप. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं बहस होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो परिस्थितियां दूसरी थी, आज परिस्थितियां दूसरी हैं. इसलिए विदेश नीति पर और जिस तरीके से विदेश नीति नीलाम की है सरकार ने, उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए.
So we'll see how the proceedings take place today in the House in a short while from now, but also the pictures that came in a short while back of the suspended MPs who have been holding protests in the Makadwar. And this has been going on ever since the first half of the budget session. As far as the suspended MPs continue with their protest, there you can see the pictures that are now coming in. When it comes to the protest that happened yesterday, and it seems that it continues today as well on the second day of the second half of the budget session. We'll see what happens inside the House as the proceedings shortly are expected to begin. Back after a short break.